Lock technology hasn't improved in almost 100 years. Who doesn't have a lock that's completely useless because of a forgotten combination or lost key? At best, we waste time searching for the right key or fumbling through the combination. At FÜZ Designs, we thought it was time for the Padlock to enter the 21st century. So, we created the Noke. By using your smartphone and the Noke, you can effortlessly protect your belongings and go. Whether you're protecting your bike, your locker, or anything else, all you need is your smartphone and your Noke, and you're good to go. The Noke uses wireless Bluetooth technology. When clicked, it automatically looks for a phone with a compatible key and unlocks. You don't even need to remove your phone from your pocket or purse. The Noke allows you to easily share your belongings safely and securely while maintaining total control. With the Noke, sharing keys has never been easier or safer. With the Noke app, you can quickly give access without the hassle or risk of giving up your key. Our iOS and Android apps allow sharing to be done on a one-time basis, multi-use basis, or any other customized schedule you need. Giving access to your pool is just a click away. Giving access to your storage unit is just a click away. At FÜZ, product design is our passion. Form and function complement each other in an attractive and simple design. We made the Noke with a water-resistant shell, devoid of any external buttons and built with a user-replaceable battery that lasts over a year. When it's time to replace the battery, simply unlock the Noke and replace it. No tools required. What if your phone dies or is not with you? We thought of that too. By incorporating our quick click technology, you can create your own access code to use when your smartphone is unavailable, making sure you'll never be left stranded again. We know many of you will want to use your Noke on your bike, so we created a custom cable and bike mount to neatly and securely attach your Noke to your seat post, available for only $20.
At FÜZ Designs, we put a lot of effort into designing our products. We love the Noke and we think you're going to love it too.
In order to bring the Noke to market, we need your help to pay for tooling, raw materials, and production.
As a way of saying thank you, we're offering the Noke at $30 off the retail pricing. Please make a pledge today and help us bring this exciting product to life.
Thanks for your support.
The peace of mind, along with the convenience you'll gain by incorporating the Noke into your life, makes it a great investment for you and a great gift for friends and family. No key? No problem. FÜZ Designs.